Hello, welcome back to CastTube. Today we are going to talk about the new all upcoming BMW 5 Series 2020. The current BMW 5 Series was launched almost 3 years ago in the country, but it still doesn't feel aged. In fact, it looks rather classy. That has not stopped BMW from silently working on a facelift for the 5 Series. It gets major design change at the front and rear, expected to come with connected car technology, ambient lighting and heads-up display. BMW could plonk in a hybrid powertrain in the facelifted 5 Series. If you have been worrying that BMW might implement its large kidney grille on the front, that is not the case. The grille is slightly larger and connected, while the LED headlamps are sleeker than ever. The new bumpers come with aggressively styled air dams, while the hood is beefed up with muscular bulks in profile. The facelifted 5 Series looks similar to the current car, except for the redesigned dual-tone alloy wheels. Moving on the rear, the facelifted 5 Series come with redesigned tail lamps and sportier bumper with quad exhaust outlets. The interior of the facelifted 5 Series is yet to be revealed. Expect it to be largely similar to the current model, except for a slight revision in the trims and upholstery to uplift the ambience. The India specification BMW 5 Series facelifted is expected to feature connected car technology, digital driver instrument panel, ambient lighting, a Harman Kardon sound system, a sunroof, a heads-up display, and BMW's iDrive infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay. Expected safety features include 8 airbags, ABS with EBD, parking sensors, a rear view camera, as well as electronic stability control. BMW is yet to reveal the technical specification of the facelifted 5 Series, but the charging port on the left front fender could hint at the introduction of a hybrid variant. Expected the India specification model to retain its 190 PS 2.0 liter diesel, 252 PS 2.0 liter petrol, as well as the ballistic 265 PS 3.0 liter diesel powertrain options. We expect to the facelifted BMW 5 Series to hit Indian roads in 2021. It is likely to come at the premium over the current model, which is priced of 55 lakh to 59 lakh. It will lock horns with the Audi A6, Mercedes-Benz E-Class, Jaguar FX and Volvo S90. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.